With Love Inspire, life is always beyond winning. Come, let's scale new heights.
Welcome. You are at Love Inspire office. This is Dr. Madhurima Reddy, Love Inspire CEO and founder, and a peak performance trainer, life coach, psychologist with NLP master practitioner. Today I am going to introduce a new product which we added to our signature programs, Advanced DMIT test. This is a multiple intelligence test where you will understand your own hidden and also innate potential. It has to do a beautiful way that you will understand your own skills, your own emotional quadrant, your own emotional intelligence level, your own interpersonal and intrapersonal level. So with this, by knowing all the things, you will really excel in your personal and also professional life. So I'll tell you why it is very important for even right from the students from 10th standard, intermediate and also engineering. Apart from that, people who are in the jobs and also politicians, everybody, how it is very important, I'll tell you. I have a client. He spent about 8 years of his time, energy and education being a doctor. After that, he was working for 2 years and come back and tell, ma'am, this is not me. This is not me. I can't really go ahead with doctor practicing a doctor. So, doctor is not just a certificate here. It is much more to do with it. So by knowing this, our own personality type and our own innate potential and also our own skills, we will know that we will take a step of right career and also we will also excel in our own profession, whatever we want to take up. And also we can improve much better. There's always a scope to improve and also go further in our professional excellence and also personal excellence. We will be taking this 5-step process. Number 1, first step comes like we will capture the fingerprints and we'll scan it and also we'll be sending that to the lab. After the 12 to 48 hours, you will be getting a report. So you have to reach to the right psychologist and NLP coach to get counsel and also know about your own personality type, where to excel, what you have already and what all things you want to excel to reach to highest peak in your profession. After that, you can take the coaching, you can take the training required for it. So this is a beautiful way to understand yourself, to know more about you. That's a beautiful way to excel in life. Next is, you will have a period where you can excel yourself. A 3 months, 6 months coaching you can take up. Come back to us also. Give us that how you're growing in that with all the techniques and tools we are giving you. DMIT is bringing a lot of change in people's life, right from students, right from schools, students, engineering students, professionals of all age groups where they want to excel. We are bringing so much of change with already our life skills and soft skills and also signature programs like Law of Attraction, Neuro-Linguistic Programming and many more programs. And DMIT is added with a great advantage and it is helping to a lot of people in the society. We already did so many DMIT tests and they are really giving us beautiful feedback and they are very happy and it is accurate of 90 to 95%. So this brings a great change in society. Thank you so much. Please do choose us and also come to Love Inspire for your DMIT test. Thank you. What's your opinion and also how was your experience?
Yeah, as I was telling, it's an interesting subject. I am curious to know more. I do have some belief that there is a scientific way of knowing those traits here, which
through the MIT it is coming.
As it turned out through the MIT, we can know that our fingerprints pattern we can know and we can come out with. And as we see, it's almost accurate. So it is useful to know at various stages of life. But it's up to us how we take the benefit, how we use that information here. So it depends upon the quality of information and the suggestions, and finally what we do about this information. I think that is important.
So by this we'll understand so much our own personality type, how we are and what else we can improve also, and about our own skills we'll understand about our own multiple intelligence and also where we have to excel ourselves, all these things. It's a beautiful way. I just like DMIT and I want a lot of people to experience this.
DMIT has been unique. It is a unique and wonderful experience I had in these 2 days, and a lot of things to learn. And one unique thing about this DMIT is whatever some negative traits are there, there's always scope to improve and enhance our skills, capabilities there. In terms of personality and other development here, it's a unique and wonderful concept here. Certainly there is immense scope, and we can make it more popular here, DMIT.
So, Mr. Shukla, what is your experience and how was your experience in the 2 days working, here and also associating with us? And how was the time went?
I learned so much. What I realized is I can use all my contacts in a much more commercial manner. I can use my contacts with all HR heads, I can use my contacts in all schools, I can use my contacts with all professionals. So there is a lot of scope. I'll be able to connect to healers, I'll be able to connect to psychologists, so that we can make this society really meaningful. And in these 2 days, I know so much about me which I was not knowing till now. I wasn't having exposure of all these things. I'm really thankful to ma'am for all this. Thank you so much.
With Love Inspire, life is always beyond winning. Come, let's scale new heights.